So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can teleop the TurtleBot 4 using the teleop twist keyboard package. So as you can see, the TurtleBot 4 is docked initially, and we're going to undock it using this service. So I'm connected in the same network. So that's why I can just send commands over the network instead of actually having to SSH into it. So I'm pressing enter. So as you can see, it has undocked. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to dock it again. So this is the dock action. Yep. So you can see it has succeeded. Now in order to teleop, we need to undock it first. So I'm going to undock it again. Yep. And to control it through the teleop twist keyboard, I'm going to run this ROS package. So I'm just going to control the TurtleBot 4 using these commands, but I'm going to show you the video of the TurtleBot moving. So I'm controlling TurtleBot 4 via the keypad. One thing to note here is that the TurtleBot 4 is not completely backdrivable. It can only recoil a certain distance when you think it is about to collide into something. For example, so you can see I'm pretty close to an obstacle in front of it. I can't exactly drive away from the obstacle, so I can't do this. So I'm trying to press the back button. As you can see, it's not allowing me to back drive, so instead I have to turn and then move forward. Once again, if I try to back drive, it's going to fault. So I have to turn and then go forward. So I'm just docking it back up again. So I'm pretty close to the docking station. Now I'm gonna stop this and I'm gonna dock it again.